Welcome to today's breaking news, and I'm your reporter, Vivian. Today, we are pretty excited to announce the news that carbon dioxide has been discovered in the atmosphere of exoplanet by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope on August 24, 2022. So this is the main topic for today's news. We start from the question, what is the Webb Space Telescope? It is an equipment that has been used by scientists to discover the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of the exoplanet. It looks small in the graph, but actually it's pretty big. Now let's go over to some more details of Webb Space Telescope. What is really a Webb Space Telescope? It is used to capture images in the space. It allows scientists to know what it is like in the space. It's one of the largest and powerful equipment that are currently using, and it enables humans to see things that are invisible to human eyes, so that scientists could observe some of the new stars to study about their origins and composition. It has the same length as a tennis court. It's pretty sensitive to heat, so scientists has a special design on the exterior of this equipment to protect it from the space heating. It could also be used to search for some of the livings in the space. In this case, this equipment could be studied by scientists to learn more about the atmosphere of the exoplanet. As we have mentioned many times, what is exoplanet here? As we know, stars that are within the solar system are orbiting around the Sun, same as Earth. However, there are stars that don't orbit around the Sun, and we call them exoplanet. So a simple definition, stars that don't orbit around the Sun are exoplanets. Now let's look at some of the details for WASP-39b, which is the main character for today's news. WASP-39b is a hot and giant planet. Its mass is almost 1/4 of the mass of the Jupiter, and its diameter is 1.3 longer of the diameter of Jupiter. It's one of the transiting planets. The WASP-39b planet has been circled in the left graph on this page, and the image shows the artist's impression of the 10 hot Jupiter exoplanets. So how it really works? It's based on a theory that varying gases absorb different colors. Some lights of the exoplanet WASP-39b is eclipsed during its transit. Its light is transferred to atmosphere, and scientists could analyze spectrum of the wavelength of the light to detect any differences. As different gases absorbed varying colors, its composition of the atmosphere could also be analyzed. So this is basically how scientists use the theory to detect the composition of the atmosphere around the exoplanet. Now, let's investigate the impact on astronomy. Basically, it provides us with an insight that there's a future to understand more of our space. It provides useful and essential information to understand the composition and the formation of the planet. Scientists could study the amount of gases versus solid used in the formation of this planet. The origin of the planet and its evolution could also be analyzed. This event does not challenge our current understanding for the universe, but provides insight that in the future, the James Webb Space Telescope could be used to study smaller and terrestrial-sized planets, such as WASP-39b. So it's really have an essential impact in astronomy, and here are references that has been used. Thank you for listening.